What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for delicious step-by-step recipes, then you are in exactly the right place. In today's video, we are going to be making meatballs with a spicy arrabbiata sauce. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, a list of the ingredients are down in the description below. Grab yourself a large mixing bowl and put in your 500 grams of minced beef, 400 grams of pork sausage meat, 1 cup of breadcrumbs soaked in milk. Now you want to just soak them in enough milk to make sure that they're moist. This is just to keep the meatballs from drying out and keep them nice and juicy. Add 1 small onion. I grate mine for the best meatball consistency. 2 cloves of garlic, very finely chopped or pressed. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper. A quarter teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of grated Parmesan. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 8 grams of chopped fresh parsley, and finally, last but not least, 2 medium eggs. Don't be shy, get your hands stuck in and give everything a very good mix and a nice little squeeze until it's all fully combined. At this point, grab yourself a plate and start making the mixture into ball shapes. This is completely up to you to decide how big or small you like your balls. Once all your meatballs are made, what you want to do is grab yourself a frying pan and heat 1 tablespoon of oil over a medium heat for a few minutes or until the pan is hot. Add your meatballs to the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan. Do it in batches if you have to, because otherwise the meatballs won't brown as quickly as they could. They're just easier to control in smaller batches. Turn your meatballs every now and then to brown each side. Once they are brown on all sides, remove them from the pan. Place them into a bowl and leave to the side to add to your sauce once it's made. Once you have heated the oil in a pan, add 1 finely chopped small onion. Cook the onion until it's soft and has a slight colour to it. Add in 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, (335 grams of chopped tomatoes). I'm using fresh cherry tomatoes for that sweet flavour. Cook these until they're softened and broken down. Make sure you stir regularly. Once the tomatoes are broken down, add 500 grams of tomato puree, one and a half cups of chicken stock, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, more if you like it hot, a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of fresh parsley, and mix until fully combined. Let the sauce simmer for around 30 minutes on a low heat. Once the sauce has been simmering for a while, add your meatballs you made earlier and give them a coating in the sauce. Simmer these for another 20 to 30 minutes, cover if you wish. When you are ready to serve, just sprinkle with some fresh, finely chopped parsley. Grab yourself a saucepan and fill with water and a pinch of salt. Once the water has come to a boil, add in your pasta. This is freshly made pasta. I will be doing a video to show you guys how easy it is to make your very own delicious pasta. Boil until the pasta is cooked. A good little tip is to add around 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the water when you're boiling the pasta. This stops the pasta from clumping together when you strain it, and it keeps it all nice and separated. Drain the pasta once it's cooked and serve on your plate. Then top with a few meatballs and some sauce. As you can see, we are going back for a third meatball. Yes, typical glitzy portions, I know. Enjoy, stuff your face, you are welcome. Don't forget to like and share the video and comment down below your thoughts or ideas on future recipes. Thank you so much guys, and I'll catch you next time.